Well, it's I don't know, 12 or 13 degrees out, and someone gave me this fur hat thing for Christmas, and it's really warm, so I'm going to wear it even though it looks stupid. But the headlight switch on the 8163B blew again, so I went down to AutoZone and I bought this 20 amp pull switch here for like $5. So I'm going to replace my $1 flea market switch, toggle switch, with this thing, and maybe I'll have better luck. So it's pitch black out, but I'm going to go outside and try to swap out this switch because we're supposed to get a snowstorm on Thursday, and I want to make sure I'm ready. So hopefully we can do this quick. My cordless drill will zip out the screws that hold the hood on. It has a light in it, so that'll make it easier. And then it's just 2 wires and a switch and put it back together. So hopefully it's quick. Alright, so I got the hood off here. It's hard to see, it's dark. And this is the old switch here, which if you look down beneath is basically broken in half. And I should have replaced this a while ago, but I didn't. So let me get that thing out and drop in this new one, and we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so this was the old switch here. Let me just show you what's left of it. And it just totally disintegrated. It's a total piece of shit. And I think I know what the problem is, and I'll explain it. And I'm sure someone already knows this, but the switch is sitting outside, and what happens? Water gets in here. And then what happens? Look at the bottom. There's nothing to waterproof this switch at all. So all the water comes right through here. See all that rust in there? All the water comes down there, and look at this. Kabam. See these terminals? They're all covered with just pus. Most likely I could have just cleaned that off and put this back in here and just bent these 4 tabs down again, but this switch is a piece, so it's going right in the freaking trash. But that's what my problem was. H2O. Alright, so we got the new switch in. We're going to try to do a cold start here, and again, it is freezing out. It's only like 12 degrees, and it's been like 0 degrees the last few days, and cold. Let's see. Oh shit, the key is frozen. The key is frozen. There we go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's totally dead. That's not good. Oh. Some problems here, which is the so cold out that my phone battery died, so I can't record with that. So we'll try the GoPro. But the issue is I hit the key and it's totally dead. Not even a click, nothing. So I don't know if the cold weather has got it destroyed or if the key switch has some kind of crap in it and is frozen. But I can try my jumper box and see what happens. And worst case scenario, we'll have to hook up the battery charger and give this thing a little boost here. Let's see what we got here. We got a dead battery. We got a jumper pack here, but it's very hard to get this onto the battery with the hood here. And my terminals on here are about the suckiest things I've ever seen before. What I probably should do is go buy a new positive terminal here. Alright, let's see if we got anything. Come on, baby! Come on! It's got to be the key switch, I think. Come on! Do we have headlights? Yay! Yay! We got headlights. That's awesome. I think the battery's charging. Yeah, it's going up. It's got 12.6 volts now. It had 12.3 a minute ago. 12.7. Charger's off, so it's just going off the alternator here. 12.8. Yeah, it's good. I think my problem was the key switch was frozen. So I got to put my little tarp over this thing. Oh, we're up to 13 volts. This is good. It's working. 13.1. So we're definitely charged.